So you want to learn how to do transitions like so? Cool, right? So today I'll be teaching you how to do transitions like so. So my name is Okobuchi. On today's edition, this is our day 3 of our free editing tutorials. So I told you guys I'll be teaching you how to edit videos for 30 days. Every day we are having new transitions. And if you're new here, you just start following this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to share because we are giving out free knowledge. Just imagine you learning how to do 30 free transitions or 30 free edits in 30 days. That is great. You can actually put it in a course and sell it to people and make more money. So yeah, let's go. Let me show you how to edit this video and make this cool transition anytime, any day. You can even do like and add up a cap if you're not satisfied with your outfit. So you can do any snap anytime to add up some touch into your outfit. So let's go. Let me show you how to do that. So you open your CapCut app like so. Then you click on new project. Now you bring in the first video you recorded. Let's talk about recording. Now this is my first video. This is the first video I recorded. You see, I just have myself like this, standing and dancing, and I throw the shoe. Let's watch. So do any movement with your first video, any movement. Do any movement. Either you're sitting, you're swapping your leg, you're doing whatever. Now let me bring in the second video and show you. Let me bring in the second video. Now this is the second video. I was just standing the same. After dressing up, I changed my outfit. So this is the first video with this outfit, right? This is how I swapped my leg. I dropped. I left the screen. Then I came back. I changed my outfit. See, you can know I'm standing at the same place. I have not changed where I'm standing. And I did not move my camera. When you're recording this first video, where your camera is standing, don't move it. Just keep it on the tripod. And then you go and do the second changing. After you must have done the second changing, you come back and do the same movement how you did on the first video. So you see, this is my last movement. You see that movement? That's the last movement. Now, when I came, I positioned myself very well. And the first thing I did was the last movement in my first video. Okay? I guess you all understand this now. Now, I'll come here and I'll go like this. And I look for where this sneakers is almost touching on the ground. Almost. Like so. I click split. Then I delete this part in the middle. This highlighted part in the middle. This one. This highlighted part in the middle, I'll delete it. Now, I'll go to the next video and look for where my leg was moving from, like so, okay? Yeah, like so. Then I click split. Then I delete this part, the front part where I was just standing to position myself. You see it? I'll click and delete it. Now, I'll have something like this. You see that? So the last place where my sneakers was dropping and the other place where I already wore my sneakers but my leg was like living up. So I'm trying to balance both. Now I'll just use my fingers to shift this a little. Just use my hand to shift because I want the leg movement to be the same. Okay, that's perfect. You see that now? Yes, that's a good one. Now when the transition is perfect like so, what you need to do is you come here, you click on audio, you click on sound fix, then you look for transitions. Go down here and look for transition sound. Now let's look for transition sound that's going to match. Okay. I think I'll go with this one. Let me add the volume. So this transition sound, I want it to be like when the transition wants to happen. So I'll shift it a little bit like so and it will go, yes, like that. So I'll drag it again with my fingers for it not to go so fast. So let's try again. You see that? Yep, That's a good one. So you see my first image and my second image are the same. Why? Because I was standing at the same place. If you can see my legs on top of the carpet that I'm standing on, this one here and this one here, okay? So I did not move. If you want to mark where you're standing, please, you can put like a water looking sellotape on the floor, or you take a chalk and draw it on the floor so you don't miss where you're standing, because once you miss where you're standing, your transition will not come out good. And once you also change your camera position, your transition will not come out good. So make sure your camera stands on the tripod while you do all this. So you do this first movement, you off it. After this first movement, you can now off your camera, you go and change into the next outfit. Just touch the camera again, still standing on the same tripod, and you do the same movement. When you're done, just export your videos and you're good to go. So yeah, that's it.